Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I got a customer today who wants a exhaust fan installed inside their washroom. They don't have one right now. Just when the house was built, it wasn't installed. So we're gonna do that for them. I've also had a couple days away. I've just been quoting a job, and it's a bigger job, so hopefully I get it. And there's also a couple other smaller jobs, but I can't record everything, so unfortunately not. But yeah, let's get it.
Right, here we are. I'm gonna put the exhaust fan. I just drilled my pilot hole. We go up into the attic and find it.
Okay, so I got that exhaust fan job done. It whooped my ass, I'll tell you that. Yeah. Bring a helper next time. Customer's very happy. All cleaned up, all installed, everything's good. So I'm gonna go dump the trailer. I have some garbage in there. I have tomorrow I'm starting a demo job. Should take about 2 or 3 days, so I'll bring you with me on that and get it.
Now we're singing about the love and all the things we had. We are up, we are down, but we're never giving up. The killers on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. That you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I'll give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. Now we're singing about the love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. The killers on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. They love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I'll give you everything you wanted.
Hey, so I'm at the demo job that I'll be starting tomorrow. Customer, he's the homeowner. He wants to turn this into a duplex. So I got a little bit of demo to do. That wall there, it's gonna be closed in. It's gonna be like the living room. This all comes out, the steps and this landing. I got this job because it was through another contact of mine, but the homeowner's been trying to do this for 2 years now. And he's just kind of at his wit's end, so. Back here, this is going to be the new kitchen, so this all comes out, that back wall comes out as well. So yeah, there's a little bit of demo. Once it gets all cleaned up, we'll start the rebuild. So come along. Join me for the ride. Let's get it.